A very warm good morning to all my dear students, my teachers, and also, of course, to my colleagues. As you all know, today is Teachers' Day, and I wish you all, students, teachers, and my colleagues, happy Teachers' Day to all. I am here to discuss today what exactly meaning of Teachers' Day for me, why Teachers' Day is celebrated. Teachers' Day is the day dedicated to the teacher to acknowledge, to recognize, to tribute for them as they are working for the sake of nation and for the sake of future also. As you all know, future of the nation is just depend on the children, and the teacher is the person who is grooming the future of a nation, right? For me, Teachers' Day is the day which calls the teacher, or which is calling the teacher to recognize, to pose what role we are having in society, having in this time of terrorism, in this time of insecurity, in this time of fear. As APJ Abdul Kalam has said, if a person has a courage, he or she can do anything, right? So the four or the terms I discuss with you, which a student or a teacher is having, then only he or she can be a better teacher or best student, right? The first term is that is Hindi term Gyan. What is Gyan? English translation is knowledge, right? But the Gyan is a complete term, knowledge with characters. For example, in this pandemic time, as students are sitting at their home, they can get knowledge from various sources like internet or whatever. But what is Gyan? Gyan is the knowledge which teacher wisely interpret to them. You can get knowledge, no doubt, but without the teacher you cannot wisely use it, right? Second is your Dharya. Dharya is what? Patience. How patiently a teacher work, how patiently a student work. What is the patience of a teacher? The patience of a teacher to buck up, to groom, to recognize the qualities of each and every child, not a particular brilliant student, but to output a चाइल्ड विद इट्स ओन क्वालिटीज़. जो भी उसमें टैलेंट है उसको निकालना. ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हर बच्चा जैसे पढ़ने में अच्छा होगा, तो ये नहीं है कि हम ब्रिलियंट बच्चों पे फोकस करें. टीचर का रोल है टू फोकस ऑन ईच एंड एवरी चाइल्ड, एंड द सेम वे स्टूडेंट शुड हैव पेशेंस टू लर्न, टू फॉलो अप देयर टीचर्स, राइट? थर्ड टर्म इज ध्यान. ध्यान इज व्हाट? Concentration. Concentration is important both for us teachers and students also. If a teacher is concentrated, only then he or she can teaches well or interprets herself very efficiently. And in the same way, students should have concentration, much more concentration, to interpret the things told by their teachers. And the fourth term is your dharma. What is dharma? The duty. But the teacher have a duty. Teacher have a duty to groom up, to buck up the child with the all over the qualities of his or her, right? And what the student have a duty? Student have the duty to follow up the instructions or the good things of their teachers. These are the four things. If we are having, then only we can become a best teacher or a best student. For me, best teacher is the one who works for the student, who work for the sake of the student, who work 24 hours for the students. For me, that is the teacher, good teacher, right? And the foremost thing, one thing personally I want to discuss, that one should have a confidence level, high confidence level. Then only we can interpret what a teacher को student follow करेगा. So teacher should have the confidence so that student can follow them. अगर टीचर पे कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं होगा तो स्टूडेंट में ऑटोमेटिकली नहीं आएगा, एज दे आर द मिरर ऑफ अस. पेरेंट्स ओनली गिव बर्थ टू दैम, टीचर्स ग्रूम दैम. सो इन द लास्ट आई वॉन्ट अगेन just want to wish happy Teachers Day to my teachers also. Just because of them I am here, I am able to express my views in front of you. Happy Teachers Day to